Emerson is your manufacturer of choice for hazardous location lighting. Our Appleton LED portfolio covers the most demanding high bay, flood, task, and area lighting applications, and now includes the Retromaster LED series luminaires, an LED retrofit solution that allows you to upgrade existing fixtures to LED while maintaining certifications. The Retromaster LED is available in 2 sizes and can retrofit with the Appleton V51, V-Series, Mercmaster Junior, StyleMaster, and StyleMaster C, as well as the KillArc V-Series luminaires. This video will cover installation of the Retromaster LED in a variety of Appleton luminaires. If accessories are required, such as a colored globe or globe guard, assemble prior to installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and Torx screwdriver. Disconnect electrical power to the luminaire at the supply source. Depending on the accessories of the existing fixture, you may need to remove the existing guard and reflector. Next, unthread and remove the old globe. Remove the incandescent bulb. When retrofitting the Mercmaster Junior, also remove the old housing. Examine all parts of the existing luminaire, such as the adapter, hood, gasket, or lamp holder for damage. If there is visible damage, do not proceed. Obtain replacement parts prior to installation of the new Retromaster LED. For the Mercmaster Junior, engage the appropriate adapter or socket to the existing hood. Pick up the Retromaster LED to pre-select the lumen level. Keep the selection connector engaged for high lumen, disconnected for low lumen level. Loosen the existing lamp socket screw from the field hood and fix the Retromaster ground spade terminal. Thread the Retromaster screw shell adapter into the luminaire's existing lamp socket. Tuck excess wires into Retromaster housing before threading into existing adapter or hood. Engage all threads of the Retromaster into the existing adapter or hood until it seats fully on the existing gasket. Once the Retromaster LED contacts the existing gasket surface, tighten an additional quarter to a half turn. Activate supplying circuit to assembled luminaire to check for its operation. Your Appleton Retromaster LED series luminaire is now ready for use. For additional information, visit www.masteringled.com.